10 Amazon Kitchen Finds. If you don't have two hands to crank the pepper mill, this one automatically starts grinding when you tilt it. This is special pad that goes around your kitchen faucet to keep your countertop puddle-free. If food keeps falling into the gap between your stove and counter, this should stop that. This silicone hamburger holder that keeps your hands clean and stops everything from falling out. This thing that holds open your Ziploc bags for easy filling. This disposable ice cube tray that you fill up with water, freeze, and then stretch to get a bag of ice. This is one of the best-rated kitchen trash cans, but why? It's not just because of the built-in bag holder or the air freshener pot. The real magic is the full-width foot pedal, making it super easy to open hands-free. The lid closes softly, and a part under the lid lifts to hide the trash bag's lip. This machine can make cotton candy, but how does it work? You can use regular sugar or hard candy. Once the machine heats up, add a scoop to the center. The high heat turns the sugar into liquid, which shoots out into thin strands that solidify in the air. Spin a cone over the middle to gather it into a fluffy ball of cotton candy. This is not just a handheld blender. I mean, sure, this part does blend things and it's designed in a way to prevent splashing. And it comes off so you can stick it in the dishwasher after you make Cheryl mayo or blend some chunky soup. But the best part is it comes with other attachments like this whisk for whipping and stirring, this mini food processor that minces veggies into salsa. If your pantry is messed, this might be the best way to store your grains. This rotating legume storage system organizes 6 types of grains and lets you dispense them with the press of a button right into this removable container.